Welcome back to Acumatica Tutorials. In this episode, we'll show you how to specify accounts payable preferences. The accounts payable module is dedicated to the management of your company's liabilities to vendors, such as bills, payments, debit, credit adjustments, printed checks, vendor refunds, and prepayments. In this video, we will split it into two main steps. Configure the accounts payable module to make it ready for use. Define a numbering sequence for batches created from accounts payable documents. First, go to Payables module, open Accounts Payable Preferences feature, to specify the initial configuration settings of the Accounts Payable module. In the Data Entry Settings section, set the default vendor class ID to default, to assign the vendor class created in the previous video to be the default vendor class. When a new vendor account is created, it will be assigned to the default vendor class by default. Clear the Require Approval of Bills Prior to Payment checkbox, so that the approval of a bill, credit adjustment, or prepayment request is not required before the document can be paid. Make sure that the Require Vendor Reference checkbox is selected. This selection will force users to fill in the vendor ref box on data entry forms in the Accounts Payable, Taxes, and Purchase Orders modules. Select the Raise an Error on Duplicate Vendor Reference Number checkbox, to prevent a user from saving an AP document, if another document with the same vendor reference number already exists. In the Posting Settings section, make sure the Automatically Post on Release checkbox is selected. With this setting, transactions related to AP documents will be automatically posted to the general ledger once they are released. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video about Step 2, define a numbering sequence for batches in Acumatica. Bihitsa. Connecting applications, automating processes.